Hey everybody, I'm getting a lot of questions about office hours. Office hours are a time between 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. where you can log online and video chat with me and ask me any questions that you have. They can be questions about math or they can be questions about how to use various parts of Teams. So to get to office hours, at 9 o'clock a.m. I'm going to go and look for my calendar. So my calendar's in this sidebar. Since I don't see the calendar up here, I'm going to click on these three dots for more added apps. There I see my calendar, so I'm going to click that. From there, I am going to see today is the 30th, and at 9 a.m. there's my office hour, so I'm going to open this invite. And then when it comes to 9 a.m., I'm not going to do it now, but when it comes to 9 a.m., I'm going to open up this link and click to join the meeting. If I open it up now, it might not work. But at 9 a.m., I'm going to open up this link, and then that's going to allow me to join the meeting. All right, and that's how you join office hours. Thank you.